Shivaparthi, daughter of Sedu. My metric number is A19A0840.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinodini Suresh and my metric number is A19A0967.
Hi, my name is Rubandra son of Tangaraja and my matrix number is A19A0817.
Hi, my name is Madhura Devendran and my metric number is A19A0265.
My name is Mohammad Zakim Mohammad Iman, A19A03F4.
My name is Kailvili, daughter of Ramachandran. My card metric number is A19A0211.
Coronavirus disease 2019, also known as COVID-19, is defined as an illness caused by an awful unique coronavirus. The outbreak of COVID-19 affects political, social, and also economic sectors all around the world. During the past few years, a political crisis, low oil and commodity export prices, and also the slowdown in China have deeply affected Malaysia's economy, putting pressure on the country's finances. The 2019 budget continued the government's transformation plans to make new opportunities for wealth generation by ensuring the country is prepared for the digital economy. In this case, our Malaysian government has faced many obstacles in various sectors like social, politic, and economic. Nevertheless, our government introducing various ways to beat this problem. In an exceeding nutshell, Malaysia was affected and more loss in 2020 compared with 2019. Thank you.
The effect of pandemic COVID-19 on economic situation. COVID-19 becomes a worldwide pandemic that surges the economic condition in extraordinary lockdown. The Malaysian economy contracted 17.1% in the second quarter of 2020 from 0.7% expansion in the first quarter due to pandemic COVID-19. There are many effects due to pandemic COVID-19 in Malaysia. Firstly, pandemic COVID-19 affects the individual to lost their jobs. Due to MCO by government, there are some firms fired workers immediately from work by giving some compensation to them because the firms are not able to run their businesses. These situations occurs financial problem among every individual. Some individual who had a debt in pending were faced with several money problems in paying back their debt to debtors.
Secondly, I would like to point out the effect of COVID-19 pandemic on society. The coronavirus disease COVID-19 has impacted every segment of life like commercial establishment, education, economy, transport, tourism, entertainment, and sports. To explore the impact of COVID-19 disease 2019 on small business in a survey of more than 5,800 small businesses between March 28 until now was affected. Besides that, there is also lack of resources in our country, for example, food, raw materials, and health goods. So society needs to balance their food in order to continue its existence. Around the same time, there is an inflation which shows that company unexpectedly increased the price of goods. COVID-19 has shocked the whole economic structure which is now in a state uncertainty. According to a report by Malaysia, GDP development is expected to decrease by 2.61% in 2020. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Malaysia's economy was depressed and affected by all major industries of the market in.
There are several solutions to overcome the economic crisis which caused by COVID-19. Firstly, the government should implement fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is a term where the government decreases taxes and increases government expenditures to overcome recessionary problems. When the government reduces the taxes, it ensures that families have more money to spend on disposal. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the number of unemployment had been drastically increased because many organizations can't survive during this period. When the government take initiative by reducing tax, it may increase the incentive to work. This automatically will avoid unemployment problem. Secondly, encourage or support local goods. Local business is one of the main sources which contribute to our country's economy. Small companies can help boost economic by providing opportunity to those who are unemployed. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, import and export had been affected. By supporting more SME companies, they will manufacture more items for the local or export market and increase the price balance. The rise of the production of SME eventually will lead them to pay the tax to the government accordingly. Thirdly, mortgage relief. A mortgage is a legal agreement that allows an individual to lend money, particularly in order to buy a home, from a bank or related institutions. The government should order bank or those related institutions to reduce the interest which had been charged to a minimum level or relief those lenders to not pay their debt for a certain period. This could help those lenders to not be a blacklist.
So government have done many things to help the people surviving the COVID-19 period, which is PKP. So one of the help that government give is Bantuan Perhatian Nasional. So this Bantuan Perhatian Nasional is incentive for the people to buy their requirements such as groceries and others. And also government also postpone all kind of payment that you need to pay along the month, which is PTPTN for student, and also moratorium for people who do the installment for car and also house. Government also announced the new helps, which is the subsidies of wage for the company that affected by COVID-19, which is there are three groups that company help, which is the company had 75 or less worker who will receive a subsidy of wage about 1,200 ringgit each of the worker, and 76 to 200 worker that will receive subsidy of wage RM800 for each of the worker, and the last one 200 and more worker company will receive about RM600 for each worker. Last but not least, government also help to reduce the burden of household, which is they are giving discount for the electric bill for 6 months, which is starting from 1 April in the PKP period. So government paid the discount for people with the amount of 662 million.
In Malaysia, this pandemic COVID-19 affect the individual to lose their jobs, effect on society like education, economy, transport, tourism, entertainment, sports, and etc. The pandemic COVID-19 affect the resources in our country, for instance, food, raw material, and health goods, and more. Suggestion to beat pandemic COVID-19, which is government should implement the economy policy. The government can also encourage or support local goods and more tests. The Malaysia government to assist the people by giving Bantuan Perhatian Nasional (BPN), and also the government also help to postpone all quiet payment of the people to help them within the PKP period. Each individual is playing an enormous role in ensuring the community and country become free from COVID-19 and to urge back the country. So be